That I'm needed at the village. Okay, it's no problem. No. Eh? That's all right.
Chief, what's the matter? And you're not looking happy. I overheard you talking on phone. Is there any problem?
Well, I got a call from Uno. And he said I'm needed at the village.
You're needed at the village. And what did you answer him?
Well, I told him I'll be coming tomorrow.
So soon? Chief, you have to be careful with those people though. You have to be very careful. Because I don't trust any one of them after what they did to us. I don't trust them at all.
I know. I'm just being careful.
That's good. So I am going to become the Lolo of Ezira Kingdom. See, Chief, if I'm finally crowned the Queen of Ezira Kingdom, I am going to deal with those people that after eating my money, betrayed my trust. I am going to take a pound of my flesh. I am going to pay them back in their own coin. Can you imagine? Because of Pascal and that stupid Bridget, they stabbed me at my back. They ate my money and turned their back on me.
Imagine Ono. Imagine Ono and some of these elders. You could imagine what I did for them. They ate my money and abandoned me at the final bus stop.
Wicked people.
Imagine. Huh? They think that they will eat my money and get away with it.
No way.
Now listen, I swear, no one eats my money and get away with it. They must pay for it.
Yes.
Just because that little rat, that ritualist kicked the bucket. They are now calling me back to come and take over the throne.
Since they enjoyed the blood money with him, they should have died with him. You see, because of that blood money they enjoyed with him, I'm going to give them a bloody behavior.
I am going to visit them with justice of nemesis and wisdom of serpent.
I am going to turn their women to my slaves and their men my servants.
My fellow elders, Chief Mbamalo and Lolo Chino, you are welcome. It's very unfortunate that the Ono is not here. He traveled to the city for his medical checkup. So I decided to call this meeting so that we put our heads together to avoid making the type of mistakes we made the other time by crowning that ritualist that calls himself Pascal, the king of Ezira Kingdom. As I rightly said, for us to put heads together, Chief Mbamalo, I would like you to take your wife to Lolo Chinyere to educate her on one of two things concerning royalty before the coronation proper. My fellow elders, have I spoken your mind? Monday,
I don't know any of them. I don't know. I don't know.
I'll get Kajota.
I don't know.
Greetings, your elders.
Greetings, my elders.
We went to the Ono's house and we were told that he is not around.
You are welcome.
No.
You're welcome, eh?
You are welcome. No, Ono is not here. He traveled to the city for his medical checkup. Is there anything the matter?
I am Monica, my son Chibeze, and his wife.
Okay. You are welcome.
No.
Can we help you?
To cut the long story short,
Better.
my son here, Chibeze, is the biological son of your late Igwe Nkemjika.
Give me. You go call me. No. How can somebody just walk up from motherless baby and say that? Sorry, no, it's not possible. Nonsense.
Woman, is that a joke or what? What type of joke is this?
How happy I would be if it were a joke, because this is something I have dreaded all these years. Like I said earlier, my son here is the biological son of the late Igwe Nkemjika. You hear me out. It all started.
And what is the meaning of this?
I don't understand. What is it I don't understand?
I mean, this lab result shows you are pregnant.
Yes. So what's wrong with that?
If I may ask, who is responsible for your pregnancy?
Prince, why will you be asking this when you know you are the one who is responsible?
Monica. I mean, how could you do this? You are my fiancé's best friend, Jane. And for the mere fact that she traveled, you seize that opportunity to come and seduce me. You seduced me into sleeping with you, and now here is the results. I mean, what do you want me to do?
I should be the one answering you guys. Now that you got me pregnant, what is going to happen?
Listen, I will not marry you. And you must keep this pregnancy because it is a royal blood.
Never. I will never have this child. I will never have this child out of wedlock. Instead, I will abort it.
Try it. Listen, you can never do a thing like that. For your information, nobody sheds a royal blood. This is a royal blood and I will protect it every breath of my life. Nothing must happen to my child.
I overheard everything. Monica, I thought you are my friend. So this is how you are.
Honey, you're welcome. How was the journey?
And you? How could you do this? I'm disappointed at you.
Mommy, listen, I can explain. I just need you to let me explain. Honey, and you, I guess you are happy right now. Huh? Aren't you happy? I mean, you should go to town celebrating. Rubbish. Now, leave my house. I don't want to see you again. Leave! Take this and leave my house.
I'm not going anywhere. I won't.
Doctor, is there something you are hiding from me?
I don't understand, madam.
You do not understand?
Yes.
I do not understand myself. I am confused. Doctor, my husband has been going through this sickness that has no name from the blues. And yet you do not understand. I don't get it. Doctor, my husband is suffering. I ask you again, please, what is the name of this strange illness that you do not understand? Doctor, I'm talking to you.
Madam, your husband will be fine, okay?
That has not answered my question.
Excuse me.
You said you want to tell me something.
Yes, I did. It's about the incessant dreams I keep having. And I'm sure it will surprise you.
Your dreams. So, are you ready to tell me about it now?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
It's the ghost of your father, the late Igwe of Ezira Kingdom, that is pestering me, traumatizing me all the time. He wants me to take you back to your people so that you will ascend his throne, the Ezira Kingdom throne that had been empty since his demise.
Mom, I seem not to understand it because you're confusing me right now. Like I'm very, very confused.
You are the prince of Ezira Kingdom, the Igwe to be. That's what the dreams have been about. The late Igwe, your father, wants me to take you back to his people.
Mom, I still don't understand it. Because you told me my father was...
Hold it there. I will explain better later. But for now, you and your wife should get set. We'll be leaving for the village. There is need to take you down to your people before I lose you. It's that bad. So, that was how it all happened. After I left his house that day, I decided to relocate and move far away from him, where he will lay no claim to my child. I gave birth to a son. Chibeze here. And all had been moving well, very well. We were living happily. Like I said, everything was okay until a couple of years back when your late Igwe started appearing to me in my dreams, threatening to kill me and even my son if I refused to take him back to his people so that he will be crowned the Igwe after him. I refused, of course, but it became unbearable. The last order he gave me was that he will kill my son here if I fail to do what he ordered. I had no option but to bring him home. So again, my son
Do you know her?
Yes. I remembered everything she have just said. She's the lady I met at Nkenjika's house in the city, right? Monica.
Chinere. Is that you?
Monica. Monica.
Oh, thank God.
God.
Thank God.
Thank you. You are welcome. Oh God. Now I know my husband's name will not go extinct from Nkenjika's family and Izira's kingdom. You see, when you left, we got married. Unfortunately, we did not have a male child. And ever since then, this community has been in problem.
I don't understand.
Woman, don't just worry. We will explain to you later.
My elders, she is right.
I have been quiet all this while. I don't understand what is going on. Can you tell these people to leave this place? Tell these people to leave this place. Let us continue with our deliberations. You know, my coronation is just few market days away from now. Let us fine-tune arrangements. You can leave us, please.
My friend, keep quiet! Can't you see our new way to be is back? Huh? Yeah.
I don't understand.
Echifumba Malu, what is it that you don't understand? You heard our queen, right? She said that everything she said is right. So what is it that you don't understand there? Enough of this nonsense, please. My son, you are welcome.
Yeah, come.
Take it away from me.
No. I think it no. 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 Right. Yes. Yes.
Shall we well with you,
Please.
Bịa. Bịa. Unu akpọrọ nwa igwe? Unu kpọrọ nwa igwe?
Uloma, so you are still alive? I thought you were dead. Hey, thank God though.
Yes, uncle. I am dead. My father and mother killed me. But please, I want you to do something for me. Please.
What is it? Just say it. I will do it.
Okay. The money used in building this house and the money my late father left in the bank, plus the cars, were made with my blood. And he used my brother's name, Ifechukwu, as next of kin. Please, I want to use those things to settle my brother. And please, don't disappoint me. If you disappoint me, you will regret this for the rest of your life. And my mother, leave her. She will remain in that condition for the rest of her life.
And the money in the bank, how will I lay my hands on it?
Don't worry, I'll guide you.
You have gotten what you needed. You have gotten what you want in a space of my life. Unique and around. What did I do to you?
Ifechuku, what is happening to you? Why are you looking so moody? What is the matter with you? Ifechuku, you don't want to talk to me? Anyways, since you don't want to talk to me, I have something to tell you. Uloma appeared to me and she said...
She have already told me everything.
What? She also appeared to you and told you the same thing?
Whatever you sow, you must reap back. Mpole kolo giga roro.